Record Remy. And they're gonna get attacked by Remy too. Now they pretend like they want to eat. Swallowing that shit.
Bro,
Record Remy.
that dog is fucking sick, bro.
Remy.
Remy already done.
Man. What the fuck? Let me get a piece. Let me see if Bougie's gonna eat it. See,
Dang.
that part is nasty.
The
Skin,
I know,
that
right?
shit look
That shit
disgusting.
thick. You recording it?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Maybe this is where the cancer comes from.
Huh?
Maybe this is where the cancer comes
Hey, record Remy. Let me see what Remy gonna do.
Shit. Oh.
Record that.
Hey, get back. Get back. Hey, you being annoying.
You can let him go back in because Remy gonna bite him. Let me record the face.
Remy's a fucking beast, though. So I think she's gonna be the only one that really eat this shit.
Her
Okay,
daughter.
Bougie's fucking with it.
Open the door for me so I can wash my hands real quick.
Yeah, Bougie fucking with it.
Who's gonna kill your puppy?
Nah, but he moved away from it.
Oh.
They right by the mom, they eating the shitty ass rice. Oh, your Lex is fucking with him.
You hear that?
Oh, hella. Don't get killed, bitch. Both got them. Look at little Lex. Oh my god.
Let it. Open the door for me, Emmett.
Oh, it's locked?
No, so I can wash my hands. Oh, you hear Remy go, I'll let you too.
You got me?
No, she thought you was one of them dogs.
Oh, Bougie ate that shit too? Swallow that shit.
That shit look bougie. Come out here shooting. And that food sound chewy too.
That shit is fucking nasty, bro. You know how thick that shit probably is?
When you know when he
Remy.
stuck, it didn't look right when he stuck
Remy.
into the
Remy.
thing. And you're like, I don't care about your hand.
Nah, but you should know when you start feeding them shit like that, I feel like when you get a real cut, they might think that shit's real food. Bro, she's a fucking beast, bro.
Who, Remy?
Yeah, phone.
That bitch is an animal. She's really sick, bro.